In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to connect GetResponse with Facebook ads so you can start boosting your business with targeted advertising. If you're wondering how these two platforms can work together, stick around till the end because we're also going to look at some alternatives that might be better suited for your needs. First off, let's talk about why connecting GetResponse with Facebook ads is so powerful. By integrating GetResponse with Facebook, you can automate your marketing campaigns, create custom audiences based on your email list, and sync your contact data seamlessly. All of this helps you target your ideal customers more effectively and efficiently. The first thing you need to do is log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, head over to the Integrations section in the top menu. From there, you'll find the Facebook Ads integration option. Click on it and hit the Connect button. This will prompt you to log into your Facebook account to give GetResponse permission to access your ad account and other necessary details. It's quick and easy, and Facebook security ensures your data is safe. Next, you'll want to choose the Facebook ad account you want to integrate with. If you manage multiple ad accounts, make sure you select the right one. Once you've done that, GetResponse will sync your contacts and allow you to create custom audiences. This is crucial because you can now use your email list to create targeted ads on Facebook, which dramatically increases the chances of conversion. Now that you've connected your GetResponse account to Facebook ads, it's time to set up your campaign. You can do this by going into the Campaigns tab in GetResponse and selecting Create a Campaign. From there, you'll choose the type of campaign you want to run. Whether it's a lead generation campaign or an offer promotion, you can set it up directly within GetResponse. Next thing you should do is set up your Facebook ads by navigating to Facebook's Ads Manager. Create your ad and in the Audience section, select your custom audience that's linked to your GetResponse email list. This will ensure that your ads are being shown to the right people who have already shown interest in your business. The fourth thing you'll want to do is monitor your results. After your ads have been running for a while, head back to GetResponse to analyze how your campaigns are performing. The integration allows you to see which ads are driving the most traffic, conversions, and engagement, making it easier to optimize your efforts. While GetResponse is a solid option for connecting with Facebook ads, you might find that it doesn't provide as many advanced features as other marketing platforms. It can be limiting if you need deep insights or advanced targeting options, which leads me to a recommendation. For those of you looking for more flexibility and powerful features, I suggest checking out some of the top alternatives. Now, before we wrap up, here's the deal. If you're still unsure about whether GetResponse is the best option for you, I've got an exclusive offer. Through the link in the description, you can get access to a free trial of GetResponse and some amazing benefits for our viewers. But if you're looking for even more advanced features or better options for your goals with Facebook ads, I've also included alternatives in the description that come with their own free trials. These tools might be more suitable depending on your business needs, and they'll give you even more flexibility for running Facebook ads. To make sure you're getting the best deal, make sure to check out the links below for the exclusive offers.